Hashtag CairoDGTV, your digital TV hub.
She publicly labeled this community standing here this afternoon as useless, unreliable drunkards and crack addicts. The case prioritization, we want the reopening of Gert van Wyk and many groups cases with an independent oversight. Expedite the following cases: Lydia and Victor Harris' assault case and Benjamin Williams' iPad investigation. I'm almost done. Transparency and communication. Share all investigation files, autopsy reports, and progress updates with the respective families. And operational practices to restore trust, accountability, and effective service delivery to the people of Hedendaal.
Lelijke video van Stephanie onder andere, wat die hele Suid-Afrika voor is. Die geluk van Stephanie is, daar's 'n video. Hoeveel Stephanies is daar, wat daar die video's van is? Ons is baie duidelik omtrent die volgende. When you are appointed as a police officer, you are appointed into a position of authority that is borrowed to you by the South African government. Yes. With an ethos that says to protect and to serve.
Hy dink is verby. Wanneer ons mense 'n match ons die, dan kom dan niks daarvan.
To request the General as well as our Brigadier Kutwani to accept and sign on behalf of SAPS. There's 2 copies that we will be handing to them for signature. Generaal sê dat as hy
En ons deal met die issues dag tot dag, then we can make progress. I appreciate, and I do not for once think anything that was said here as a personal attack on my person or the South African Police Service. You are entitled to your opinion.